Hello, thank you for looking at this 2021 Harris 250 Solstice. This is a one-owner freshwater boat that was sold at Lake Hopatcong MarineMax in 2021. The current owner ordered this boat exactly with all of the options that you see to specifically meet his family needs. As the boat spins around, you can see that it is a single lounger layout with the French gray interior. On the rear of the boat, you can see there's a nice swim seat, stainless steel boarding ladder, rear safety gates that allows you to sit on the aft of the boat looking for rear at your skier or tuber. With the safety chains up, it is Coast Guard safe to ride back there. The water sports tower above my head is a manual tower that easily folds down to get underneath bridges. The bimini top is currently folded closed but can easily extend to cover the rear of the boat. Some additional features on the boat include a 9-inch Simrad, additional fender storage, in-floor storage, armrest at every seat, cup holders and charge ports on every seat. This boat also has the JL audio sound system with an additional subwoofer. The owner of the boat has added fender storage on the bow that you can easily see and an American flag on the rear of the boat. This boat with the 350 will hit just shy of 50 miles an hour depending on the load. It has a 37-gallon gas tank, instrumentation on the dashboard, interior lighting, GPS speedometer. The digital throttle and digital shift makes it very easy for the boat to maneuver back and forth. As you can see, I'm easily spinning it around. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. It is absolutely gorgeous. Soon it will be going to a heated indoor storage facility where it will be kept over the winter until its next owner decides to take possession. This is a 10 out of a 10 quality of a boat. I look forward to showing to. Please give me a call at 201-988-9561. Thank you.